Let's make the best hot 7-layer dip that's perfect for any game day with Red Gold Tomato Love tomatoes. We're going to begin browning off some ground beef. We're going to break that up, add a little bit of salt. We're going to add Tomato Love's crushed chili starter tomatoes to season up that beef. While it's cooking, we're going to begin layering with refried beans on the bottom. Then we're going to add the cooked seasoned beef on top of the beans. Then we are going to take those Tomato Love 2 times more chili diced tomatoes, add those off after we've drained them. We're going to add sour cream as the next layer, spread into an even layer. And then we're going to add some black olives and top with cheese. We're going to take that away, put it into the oven for a little bit until it's nice and bubbly. We're going to start chopping up some green onions and jalapenos while we're waiting. And then we're going to remove that casserole from the oven when it's nice and bubbly and delicious. Just look at that sizzle, guys. It's so good. And then right before serving, you're going to top off with really delicious freshness, and it really makes it pretty with green onions, jalapenos. For a little bit of spice, you can use pickled or fresh here. Add some avocado, and then, of course, some fresh cilantro if you feel like you want to do that too. It's so pretty, so delicious. It's going to be so perfect for any game day. Your friends and family are going to rave about this and want that recipe. I can promise you that. It's so good. Look at that cheesy deliciousness. Enjoy.